Start in the name of Allah. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sehergil. I'm your class teacher. Now it's time to start our maths work. I know that you are very happy to start your maths work. Okay, you love to do it. What is this? 15th April 2021, and this is date. What is this? Day. Very good. And what is the day today? Thursday. Topic, and our topic is counting. Again, counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold your pencil and start writing. You have to write here number 1. Down, down and stop. Then number 2, turn and make him sit. 3, turn, another turn. Number 4, down, turn, go up, come down. Number 5, down, turn, make a straight line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to write counting on your copy. This is your activity. Circle the 2, 5 number with red color. What you have to do? You have to circle the number 2 with red color and also number 5. Find the number 2 and number 5, then circle. Very good. Wow, again here is your activity. Count and write. 1, 2. How many stars? 1, 2. And you have to write here number 2. How many leaves? 1. And how many apples? 1, 2, 3. You have to write here number 1 and number 3 here. Okay, do this work on your neat copy with the help of your parents. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.